this section we will see the crowdsourcing analytic. Some complex problems such as image tagging, natural language processing are very challenging for the computers, where even state-of-art technology is yet to be able to provide the satisfactory accuracy. Therefore, rather than relying solely on developing new and better algorithms to handle such tasks, the crowdsourcing solution, which is employing human participation, is good to shortfall in the current technology. Crowdsourcing data is an effective way to seek the help of large audience, usually through the internet, to gather information how to solve companies' problems, generate new ideas and innovations. It is a good supplement to many computer tasks. A complex job may be divided into computer oriented tasks and human oriented tasks, which then assign to machines and humans respectively. Actually, crowdsourcing is widely adopted in Web2 sites. For example, Wikipedia benefits from thousands of subscribers who continually write and edit the articles for the site. Another example is Yahoo Answers, where users submit and answer the questions. In Web2 sites, most of the contents are created by the individual users, not the service providers. Keep in mind. Crowdsourcing is the driving force of these websites. To facilitate the development of crowdsourcing applications, Amazon provides the Mechanical Turk, that is the AMT platform. So computer programmers can exploit this API to publish jobs for human workers who are good at some complex jobs such as image tagging and natural language processing. The collective intelligence helps to solve many difficult tasks by improving the quality of outputs and user experiences. So there are the various benefits of crowdsourcing analytic actually. So the first one is crowdsourcing big data capitalizes on the human element. The human touch let you drill down to inside that empower you to thrive in a customer driven demand market. For sentiment analysis and content moderation especially, crowdsourcing wins over machines and softwares every time. As smart as computers are in some regards, they lack one vital element when it comes to big data subjectivity. Analyzing data or moderating content from social network, customer feedback or comment and review with the crowdsourced labor produces insightful, accurate and actionable results from people, not by machines. The second one is the crowdsourcing big data saves the time. The distributed nature of crowdsourcing ensures that your data gets processed at unprecedented speeds. Thousands of workers tackle your project simultaneously to deliver the results faster than you could ever achieve in-house. The third benefit is crowdsourcing big data helps you to save internal resources. The employees which are good at what they do, why to waste the internal resources assigning the overqualified staff big data processes that a crowdsourced workforce can tackle faster. Likewise, onboarding the new staff carries the overhead and incidental employment cost, which eliminates because of crowdsourcing. So, we are not only saving the internal resources but maximizing the cost effectiveness with the crowdsourcing. The fourth one is crowdsourcing big data allows you to keep with demand as you grow. So, no aspects of your business is static. As you grow, your accumulated data grows with you. So without the right tools, tapping into data can become the enormous task. With the crowdsourcing, the task scale can work with you. When you have thousands of hyper specialized crowd workers available, it doesn't matter how quickly or dramatically your need increases. Your crowd workforce can handle as much as you put on its plate, improving the site search functionality, personalizing the marketing campaign, catalog cleansing, moderating content and so on. And the fifth benefit is the Real-time analytics, that is, crowdsourcing big data provides you the real-time analytics. In today's competitive online environment, what matters is we can't place consumer needs on hold. So using the old data is likely showing up the party that everyone is already left. So when we are using crowdsourcing, sentiment analysis, content moderation, categorization and other data tasks happen in real time. So we don't have to worry about the unfashionably late things. And when the conduction of business online is done, we juggle multiple tasks, including uh, creating initiatives which satisfy the customers, delivering the solid ROI for marketing the cost, then the retention rates for online sales. So the relevant attitude is that customer comes first, and there is no shortage of retailers and marketers and websites. So we can easily be one of them by utilizing the crowd powered big data insights to drive effective marketing and online sales. So these are the benefits of crowdsourcing analytic, which helps us to improve business in all aspects. This is all about crowdsourcing analytic and benefits of crowdsourcing analytic in detail. Thank you.